Upon the Burning of Our House is a personal poem by Anne Bradstreet describing the emotional loss of her home due to a fire. The speaker initially mourns the loss of her possessions and the memories, but later shifts her perspective to her faith in God, recognizing that all earthly possessions belong to God and her true home is in heaven. The poem explores themes of faith, materialism, and the transience of earthly life, emphasizing the importance of trusting in divine providence. Upon the burning of our house, Bradstreet transforms her personal loss into a reflection on the impermanence of material possessions. Her shift from grief to spiritual insight encourages re-evaluating attachments to worldly things, reminding readers that true wealth lies in faith. In Upon the Burning of Our House, Anne Bradstreet explores the fleeting nature of material possessions and the lasting value of spiritual faith. Through her emotional response to the loss of her home, she finds peace in the realization that true treasures are spiritual, secure in heaven rather than worldly. The poem encourages reflection on how we handle loss and the importance of cultivating a faith that transcends the impermanence of material things.